Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change Netflix region on Android. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can change your Netflix region on an Android device by using a trusted VPN. So first head over and open up the Play Store and on the search bar type in VPN and download any of the VPN that is preferable for you. Then once done, what you need to do is open up the VPN app and sign in, then connect to a server in the country whose Netflix library you want to access. Then once connected, simply open the Netflix app on your Android device and you should see now the content from that region as well. However, this method isn't recommended, but if you want to change your region, this is the option or reliable option. Now for tips for smooth streaming are you can clear the Netflix app cache and restart the app after connecting to the VPN, and some VPN servers get blocked by Netflix. If it doesn't work, try switching servers within the same country, and free VPNs often don't bypass Netflix restrictions or maybe slow. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.